So $5 again to get in the Caribou. I don't mind paying that, but it's just packed out. I can't, mate. You won't see anything except a whole pile of bloody people acting like cows. You know? So I'm not paying $5 to go into the Caribou.
Would they need to refuel in those conditions to get here from Wollongong?
So this is a decommissioned aircraft as well, from the historical aircraft.
So I guess most of the wings are fuel tanks.
Historical Aircraft Restoration Society. They're based in Wollongong. So you probably can't make it out, but the civilian serial number on this is VH-VBB. So I'd happily pay the $5 to get on there, but it's just packed out to the... So I don't think I'd be getting value for money. And these are called a STOL aircraft, which stands for short takeoff and landing. So they could land in a very short distance and obviously take off in a short distance. A little bit longer than the land. They can land in a lot shorter distance than what they need to take off. So, but I mean, you probably could see in the cockpit. Oh, there's the Mustang. I missed that taxiing out. But I've seen the Mustang. That's been at every air show I've ever been to. So, I mean, I love a Mustang. Magnificent aircraft, but I've seen it, and when I was in the Air Training Corps, I actually got to touch a 68-118 because we were on the other side of the rope. So you can't really beat that, you know. So I've touched that aircraft many years ago, about 40 years ago nearly.